Hi everyone. Question 1 says that on drdev1.technique.com, install and configure Ansible as follows. Install the necessary packages. Create a static inventory file called onlist Ansible inventory as follows. Host1.technique.com is a member of the development host group. Host2.technique.com is a member of the quality assurance host group. Host3.technique.com and Host4.technique.com are members of the production host group. Host5 is a member of the security. The security group is a member of the HPC servers host group. Then the second part says create a configuration file called ansible.cfg as follows. Home Lisa Ansible inventory must be defined as the host inventory file. Home list Ansible rules must be the location of the rules in the playbook. The escalation user and the user that will be used to manage the remote host must be root. This question is based on installing, configuring, and creating Ansible static inventory in the RHCE ex294 course on this website. If you've gone through this course, solving this shouldn't be a problem. This is the link to the course. This is the link to the topic pertaining to this question. These are the links to the topic pertaining to this question. So let's solve this question. Alright, so the first part of the question says that we should install the necessary packages. And the necessary package that we need to install is Ansible. Alright, before we can configure Ansible, we need to install Ansible. So I can use DNF install or yum install Ansible. So because I'm not the root user, I'm just going to use sudo here. I already have Ansible installed on this system. So of course, you should tell me that I have Ansible already installed on the system. So you can see, because I already have Ansible installed, you can see that this is already installed. Okay, the second part of the question says that we should create the static inventory file. So you can see here, create a static inventory file called Omlisa Ansible inventory as follows. Alright, so let's do that quickly. We're going to be creating a static inventory file with the name Omlisa Ansible inventory. So I'm already in Omlisa, alright. So I can just say directory Ansible. So if I do cd Ansible, if I do pwd, you can see that I'm already in Omlisa Ansible. Alright, so we need to create the inventory file. So I'm going to just do vim on inventory. So the question says that the inventory file should be called inventory. Let me quickly run through the question and confirm that. Create a static inventory file called Omlisa Ansible inventory. Alright, so we're just going to create this inventory file. So I'm going to say vim inventory. I'm going to create for development. It says it should be host1.technique.com for quality assurance. It should be host2.technique.technique.com. So for production, it should be host3.technique.com and host4. So this is going to be host4.technique.com, and for security, this is going to be host5.technique.com. So I have the question opened by the side of my system, so that's what you should also do as well if you want to be very fast. Alright, so just have the question open, so you can just come to the website, and check the questions, have it open so you can see what you're doing. All right. So this is going to be for HPC underscore server. So because this is going to be a nested host group servers, so here we're going to have children, and this is going to be the security host group. So now I can save this file. Alright, so the question further says that we should create the Ansible configuration file. Alright, so let's do that. If I do ls, you can see that I have the inventory file. If I do pwd, you see that I am in home Lisa Ansible according to the question. So I'm going to create the configuration file. Yes, I can do vim ansible.cfg. The question says we should create the configuration file in home Lisa Ansible. Alright, so here I'm going to be having default, and here I'm going to be having inventory. So I can say inventory, of course, is home Lisa Ansible inventory. For the rows part, according to the question, rather, it says the rows part should be home Lisa Ansible rows. Of course, I can say axpath, which is false, and the remote user, according to the question, the remote user is root. So if you're not given a remote user, depending on the question or depending on the user you are used to log in, it could be the name of the user, which is Lisa. It could be root. Alright, so you just need to follow what the question says. Alright, so here I'm going to be having privilege escalation. I can say become, of course, become true, become equals true. That is, I want to activate the privilege escalation. This is going to become method equals sudo. I can say become user. I can just copy all of this. If I wish, I can just do YYP. Alright, so this is going to be become user. User equals root, and become axpath equals false. Alright, so we've been able to create the Ansible configuration file, so I can save this file. If there's an issue, you would notice that by the time you continue to solve the question, so that I can verify. If I wish, I can verify the inventory configuration file. I can just do Ansible --list hosts all. This is host, sorry, I mean list host here. So you can see the host in the inventory file. We have host 1, host 2, host 3, host 4, host 5, and I can also verify the Ansible configuration file. So if I do Ansible version, you can see that the configuration file is home Lisa Ansible ansible.cfg, which the question has asked us to do. So this is how you're going to solve this question. And I should also let you know that you can use the Ansible help option in case you're finding it difficult to get a command. So for example, you can see the privilege escalation options, and when I did Ansible host --list, let me show you here. So you can see Ansible list hosts all. So you have the help option to help you whenever you're lost, or you forget a particular command. Also, you have the Ansible configuration file. So if I do etc ansible.cfg, Ansible, ansible.cfg. Let me be sure that this is the etc ansible.cfg. So if you do this, you can see, let me pipe this to more. So you can see the default options in case you forget anything, and for the privilege escalation as well. If you forget what to use, just come to this default Ansible configuration file. You can see the options of the privilege escalation. Alright, so you should know this, of course, but if you forget, in case you forget, no worries, just come here, use your Ansible help options, use your Ansible, the default Ansible configuration file. All of these are tools to help you out. However, just make sure that you know this off heart so that you can be very fast. It is very possible for you to forget, nobody is a repository of knowledge, alright? So, when you know all of these commands, by the time you're checking your configuration file or you're checking the help option, it helps you to easily recollect it because you forgot, not because you don't know it at all. So you should know what you're doing, alright? So when you forget, you can make use of these tools. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share our videos, and there are a lot of courses that are coming up. Make sure that you do follow us and subscribe to our newsletter as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.